How to replace your ClearRay bulb on your jacuzzi hot tub. You'll want to replace your ClearRay bulb once a year. If you have a smart tub, it will notify you on your app. Ask a sales associate if you'd like Smart Tub added to your hot tub. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a new ClearRay bulb for this job. A latex glove is included in the box with the bulb for proper installation. Before you get started, be sure to turn off your hot tub at the breaker. Let your ClearRay bulb cool for 15 minutes and then open up the cabinet. There's no need to drain the hot tub if you're only replacing the bulb. We have the front of the cabinet open and the screws are being removed on the ClearRay system enclosure. Once the cover is off, disconnect the UV bulb socket from the power cord socket. Slowly remove the UV bulb and make sure the latex glove is on the hand that is handling the bulb. Carefully slide the new UV bulb back into the tube. Reconnect the UV bulb socket to the power cord socket. Reinstall the ClearRay system enclosure cover. Place the cabinet skirting back on. Turn the breaker on and dispose of your old ClearRay bulb. And that's it! Thanks for watching.